Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over the work for this week. As always, make sure that you are checking your inbox for any emails that I may send you, and also check here for announcements for class activities. So if you click on announcements, there's announcement for week 6 of quarter 2. So we have no Zoom this week. If you do need to Zoom, since you are, I have a bunch of new students. If you need to Zoom personally, send me a message. So I'll send you a Zoom link. But the video should help you out with completing assignments. And you have 5 assignments this week. So you have, and they're all color coded just for your help, in case you need help with figuring out when they're due. Purple is always going to be due on Fridays. Blue are due on Tuesdays, and the greens are due on Thursdays. So you have a ab curl test to do, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a bit. You also have 2 quizzes this week. So instead of doing the written activities, you have a quiz on Tuesday and a quiz on Thursday. You have a fitness log due Tuesday and your regular mile or Metaconda due on Thursday. And then this is the second quiz. So if you, like I said, if you have any questions, you're not sure how to do any of the assignments, make sure that you email me through Canvas. So just click right here and then send me an email. If you need to Zoom, I can send you a link. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the assignment. So when you go into modules, you should automatically be taken to week number 6 of quarter 2. And if you notice, the module is locked. The only thing you can click on is the instructional video. If you try to click on any of these other files, they're all closed off because you need to view this first. So make sure you're watching the instructional video in its entirety. Once you're done with that, you can click next, and then everything else will open up for you. So if you go back to modules and you go to week number 6, everything's unlocked. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is the PFT curl up test. So this will be probably the second time you're doing this. So click on this. There's a video that shows you how to perform the test, how to set it up. Use what you can at home. Just make sure you have some comfortable space to be able to perform this. And then once you watch the video, here is the timer cadence. So you're just going to play this, and it's going to play a timer. It's going to just basically tell you up, down, and count it off for you. So once you completed that, you're going to go ahead and submit your score. So if you click on here, all you have to do is click take the quiz, and you're just going to submit how many curl ups you've done without stopping, without making any mistakes. It'll range between 0 to 80. So you just click the blue button, take the quiz. Once you click this, you're going to fill in your score, and it's got to be between 0 to 80 because that's what the appropriate testing window is. So if you weren't able to do any, you put 0. If you were able to do all of them, you'd put the full amount 80, and then you would just hit submit, and that's it for that activity. So that one's not due till Friday, but you have all week to do it. It doesn't take that long. And then once you're done with that, you have your 2 activities on Tuesday. So you have a fitness logbook number 8. And basically you're just going to choose any workout you want. You're going to work out for at least 30 minutes. If you want to use the CrossFit module that I have in Canvas, you can use that. If you want to use your own workout, that's fine as well. If you just want to go out and walk, just make sure you track it on your fitness app and send me a screenshot of that. But you have all these different options. Just make sure that you're including the following information: the date of the exercise, exactly what you did, the duration of your workout, and the intensity. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest, 10 being the most difficult, how difficult was the workout? And then to submit that, you're just going to click submit assignment. And you have 4 different ways to submit it. You can either just do a file upload. If you want to just write it straight out on a text entry, you can if you're using a Google Doc, put the URL, or just submit it straight from your Google Drive. So you have all these options to submit it. Once you're done, you just click submit assignment, and you're done with that. And then the next activity you have is going to be your quiz. So you're going to do a brief reading regarding exercise and is it really worth it, and how to get started. So read through that, and then once you've read everything, you're going to click next, and then you're going to take the quiz. So just want to give a shout out to Ellis Shamseed for creating this quiz for us. And it's 10 questions worth 10 points, and you have a 30-minute time limit. So once you're ready to take the quiz, just click take the quiz and then it'll get going. Okay, so once you're done with that, those are the 2 activities for Tuesday, and then you have 2 activities for Thursday. So you have one of your Thursday activities is going to be your cardiovascular day or metaconda. So you're going to, as always, either you can run inside, outside, or do the metaconda workout. So running outside, make sure you're including this information here. Okay, I need to see your distance, so your running map. So you get distance, 2 points, 3 points for running map, 3 points for your mile time, and 2 for the date. You should be able to view this all on one screen, but if you can't screenshot it all on one screen, make sure you send it in 2 screens. If you're using Nike Run, make sure that you're sharing your route with me. If you're using Strava, it automatically uploads, which is great. If you happen to be running indoors on a treadmill, make sure that I can see both screens on the dashboard that has your distance and your time, and then put a post-it on there that has your name, the date, and the word of the week. This week is winter, so you'll get 10 points for including all of this information. If for any reason you're noticing that you're not getting full credit on your assignments, it's probably because you're missing some important components either here or here. So make sure that you're double checking feedback of when I grade. I'll usually put comments of what was missing. And if you're doing metaconda, make sure that you're doing 10 minutes, downloading a 10-minute video of you doing the metaconda workout. It's about a 35-minute workout, so I just need to see 10 minutes of it. And in order to upload that, you're just going to click on the submit assignment button, and you've got all of these different ways to submit it. So you can do a file upload, which is probably going to be the most common way that everyone's going to upload their files, or text entry. Say you have a large file and you can't upload it to me, just write down in the text entry, I emailed it to you, and you can email it to me, but make sure you fill this part out. You can send it in a Google link or Google Doc link. You can record straight through. If you're doing Metaconda, just click the record upload media and it'll upload. And then you also have the Google Drive option. So you have those 5 different options to submit that assignment to me. And the last activity you have for the week is going to be one more quiz. So it's maintaining your healthy lifestyle with these 7 tips. So you're going to do this reading. Once you're done with your reading, same thing. You have 30 minutes to complete your quiz, 10 points, 10 questions. Click take the quiz and you have 30 minutes. Once that's done, the test will close. So make sure that you set time aside to take your quiz. And those are all the activities we have for this week. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. If you want to Zoom, you're not sure about anything, please feel free to reach out. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a good day.